Be on the front lines of healthcare with the Primary Care Paramedic Certificate at Parkland College. The Primary Care Paramedic program is a one-year certificate delivered through Emergency Services Training in Melville. The program is divided into 4 semesters, totaling 48 weeks. There's a blend of online classes, on-campus courses, and field and clinical practicums. This program emphasizes authentic hands-on training in pre-hospital emergency care, with both hospital and ambulance practicums. Students are required to complete 386 practicum hours, which is the equivalent of about 12 weeks. Graduates will be eligible for the Saskatchewan College of Paramedics licensing exam and may work in ambulance operations, industrial sites, mines, the military, special care facilities, and fire services in conjunction with firefighter training. Like a lot of our programs, this one is first qualified, first admitted. This is a popular program too, so the sooner you complete the application process, the better your chances of being admitted. You'll need your grade 12 and standard first aid and CPR certifications. Special admission is available. There are program-specific English language requirements, and you'll need a valid driver's license. Before beginning the program, you'll require proof of transferring, lifting and repositioning and WMIS certifications, a criminal record check, and physical strength and fitness. The Primary Care Paramedic Certificate takes just over a year to complete. The next program will run from late August through October of 2022. To prepare for the Primary Care Paramedic program, we encourage students to take the Emergency Medical Responder Certificate. That's a 2-week program usually offered in November in Melville. Applications for the certificate are open now, so speak to an academic advisor for help in getting started on your career as a paramedic.